This is the brief on one-dimensional fluid flow. So you know how when you turn on a faucet, the stream of water gets skinnier as it falls? Well, our sources are all about the pretty cool everyday physics behind exactly why that happens. First, there's just the observation itself. That stream of water gets noticeably thinner the further it drops. It's this super common visual, but it's also our clearest clue that some specific rules of physics are at play here. Second, this whole thing is governed by two key principles. One is steady fluid flow, and the other is mass conservation. And all mass conservation really means is that the amount of water passing any single point in that stream every second has to stay exactly the same. And finally, this brings us to why it narrows. As gravity pulls the water down, its velocity increases, it's speeding up. So to keep that mass flow rate constant, the stream's linear density has to decrease. And since water has a fixed density, the only way to do that is to shrink the stream's cross-sectional area, making it visibly thinner. So that narrowing stream of water from your tap, it's really just a perfect real-world example of mass conservation in action. As the water's speed goes up, the stream's width has to go down.